Hey there, fashion lovers. Have you ever stared at your wardrobe thinking, I have nothing to wear? Well, worry no more because today, I'm going to share some awesome clothes and shoes hacks that will revolutionize your closet. First up, let's talk about shoes. Do your beautiful white trainers get dirty way too quickly? Here's a life-saving hack for you. Grab a toothbrush and some toothpaste. Yes, you heard me right. Just scrub away those pesky stains and voila! Your trainers will look brand new again. Next, let's dive into clothes. Ever had that moment when you put on your favorite jumper and it's covered in lint? Don't panic. All you need is a razor. Gently shave off the lint and your jumper will be smooth and perfect in no time. Speaking of jumpers, have you ever wanted that effortlessly chic, oversized look? Borrow a jumper from the men's section. Trust me, they often fit better and give you that cozy, stylish vibe. Plus, it's a great excuse to raid your boyfriend's wardrobe. Now let's talk about accessories. Ever lost an earring back and had to go out with mismatched jewelry? Here's a quick fix. Use a pencil eraser. Just cut a small piece and it works perfectly as an earring back. Easy peasy. For my fellow shoe addicts, have you ever had your favorite pair get scuffed? Try using a bit of nail polish remover on a cotton ball. It helps to gently buff out the scuff marks. Just be careful with colored shoes. And to keep your shoes smelling fresh, pop a couple of tea bags inside them overnight. Trust me, it works wonders. Your shoes will smell like a fresh cuppa the next morning. Now let's move on to storing your clothes. Running out of hangers? Use the tabs from soda cans to create double hangers. It's a game changer for small wardrobes. Lastly, do you have a t-shirt that's just too plain? Grab some fabric paint and get creative. You can add patterns, quotes, or even your own designs. It's a fantastic way to make your wardrobe unique and totally you. Alright fashionistas, there you have it. Some fun and creative hacks to unlock your closet's potential. Give these tips a try and let me know how they work for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fabulous fashion tips. Thanks for watching and stay stylish. Catch you next time.